welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Concerns raised over school interview results and alcohol use. New provincial installed for Sisters of Shillong Province. Southwest Khasi Hills welcomes first driving school. And only eligible vendors will be allocated street vending spaces. And now the news in detail. The Holistic Awakening Movement, AHAM, has called for an immediate investigation into alleged irregularities at Rangsakona Deficit Secondary School in Southwest Garo Hills, Ampati. AHAM has submitted a formal complaint to the District Commissioner and the District School Education Officer, highlighting two primary issues. Firstly, AHAM claims the interview results contravene the advertisement's stipulation to favor local candidates, alleging that a non-local candidate was appointed instead. Secondly, they report that alcohol was consumed on school premises by the secretary, president, headmaster and DSEO representatives following the interviews. This behavior, according to AHAM, breaches both public decency and school guidelines. The organization has urged the DC to take swift action to address these concerns and ensure proper adherence to regulations.
Rangsakona Deficit Secondary School ni majority SMC aro sungni manderang ni complain ko matso hawam ni complain jana pani kita jekon bri tarik interview asam bri marso wa transparency ungja un baksana ba interview matso tari DSU ni represent ka ba school ni secretary president aro headmaster tekkabar ngani rang ko ba school ko nga ang mo ko aganata sing ba result ko ni na diba jen salo chat tarik result ko out ka ha unon Rangsakona Secondary School ni chel bege pa jian taluri ni wachim ko sa result bisongala select na doata Diba wamani advertisement ko net kensi mo de advertisement jana pani kita de first preference locality ko nachim wamang thangni advertisement ko fi wamang pun ko select ha yani bidungo singa nagen na matso tangna matno de namaya jupanging ha ni singa sanchi ni ba sangsatai wamang singa complaint letter ko abathai ha wani gisebe singa riang ba jaw DC ko singa approach kan baksa tharaki yang ko inquiry ka yon china aro option da ken DSO jian thurani in charge pong yachim aro joint director pong yachim u ko ba chinga chingni letterang ko nan baksa yeng ko I obos tarang ko ni roke tharake kam ba china chinga letterang ko na ha ndiba dalo na kangkang ba ma mang ba o concern department ni chingna positive response rang rungja dalo na kangkang ga chbidone mai manchong
The Sisters of Shillong Province celebrated a significant transition with the installation of Sister Rosa Pung as the new provincial. The ceremony was led by Sister Celine Jacob, the General Visiting Councillor of the Institute, with Most Reverend Victor Lingdor, Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, as the main celebrant and 10 concelebrants. During the service, Sister Celine read the decree of nomination from the Superior General, Sister Kiara Katswola. The symbolic passing of the lamp from the outgoing provincial, Sister Elizabeth George, to Sister Rosa Pung marked the official handover. Following the Holy Eucharist, a felicitation program was held where Sister Celine presented a statue of Mary Help of Christians to both the new provincial and the incoming provincial council members.
Degree of nomination. The undersigned Superior General of the Institute of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, with the consensus of her council, according to the norms of Article 134 of the Constitutions of the Institute, nominates Sister Rosa, Superior of the Province, Immaculate Heart of Mary, Shillong, India, for the 6-year period 2024 to 2030. To her, therefore, is entrusted the guidance and animation of the provincial community in the spirit of Saint John Bosco and Saint Maria Dominica Mazzarello, to strengthen its ability to respond to the expectations of the Church in the evangelization of young people. FMA Constitutions, Article 144. May Mary Help of Christians be her. This appointment will come into effect on August 13, 2024. Rome, 24 April 2024. The Superior General, Sister Chiara Cazzuola. The Secretary General, Sister Maria Luisa Nicastro.
The inaugural Suting Driving School has officially opened in southwest Khasi Hills, aiming to provide comprehensive driving training for the region's residents. The ceremony was presided over by I. Lauranyang, MCS BDO of Maukerwat CNRD, with W. Makador, District Transport Officer, in attendance. The establishment of this driving school is anticipated to benefit local youth by offering them professional driving instruction. The event was also graced by F. Karaswai, Minister of Nonglang Village, and J. Nongbet, Sub-Inspector of Maukerwat Police Station, who supported the initiative. The driving school is expected to play a crucial role in enhancing driving skills in the area.
Nia ikhani district jungi khanam bukan lo jung to ye baro dinrai bro skata mdon boban approach ke department ke jungi bangila penerapan pli uni driving school tak adu wa I batai I balong I perlok ila one approach nga ba ita pli driving school ba I nakaliang department ina le ikotan kam ikhani Khubor ngamdon I kintian berjong man keren negeri Khubor dan rei nakaliang jong I department iskuan pusngo ba jingdon jong driving school kalong jung to ay bakraw ya kun Samla kamtam le kumalo I way na ginong keren ba kalong gala ban pli kam kajam kamtam ta kam de kamdei tangkat taru rei menta kumsong no bun kilong yen ki beladan le jong sekali ikan khairu kila kwa benangnya kali ikun Samla ki babun kila kwa benangnya kali de dak jingdon jong ni driving school kala yarap sibun ba ikin enroll kani driving school ba driving school kan ai bun ki jing kai nadu ki traffic sign nadu ki ain ki kanun we dai kumdo banya kali ti jingdon jong ni driving school kan yarap sibun ti nga kerpa dia baro ba chimi ni kabu ban enroll le pi ga jingdon jong driving school but ka jingi kai ga ba driving school kan ai kalong khamtam kumnu bangin nya ai kali ha ka jing snga kumnu bangin nya ai kali ha jing snga ti kibun gi ai ba driving school kala ban ai singira nata Akan driving school ken hikai kumdu ba student la de nongsha ai kai dan confidence bannya ai kali pi la da pinya ai kali da kecing tieng kemudian kan ora ai kecing accident ora ini kita indre akan driving school kita ki ai baru hai la don kaman ai jing kai ba ngai nang ni khmat ini sim ni kabu kamtam hani district ko kani ke driving school kani ke sik ko barengkom begini sim ni kabu wan enroll in jong mungkin wan kani school bang sha ikai khnang mo kan long jing to ya baro te.
The Minister of Tourism for Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh, announced on Tuesday that land plots will be provided by the government exclusively to eligible vendors following the removal of street vendors from Police Bazaar. The initiative aims to create designated pathways free from street vending activities. Lyngdoh confirmed that the process of relocating the vendors is currently underway and is anticipated to be completed in the near future. This move is part of broader efforts to enhance the urban environment and streamline vendor operations in key commercial areas.
Welfare, including proper vending zones. Now, yesterday itself, I had spoken to the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board, and he has given me the latest situation, picture of the latest situation, which is that they are relocating. Vending zones have been identified. Now they are going into individual cases as to which individuals will occupy which space depending on their trade and the kind of activities that they are undertaking. So, we are inching towards closing this chapter. And yesterday I have also had a separate meeting with the Director of Tourism in order to ensure that we have an alternative plan in mind, which is to turn that area into a hawker-free zone and an area where only pedestrians can utilize.
Well, sir,
The process has already started. We should be able to wind it up as soon as we get all the details of these various streets, because you would understand that we can't, in one space, we can't have 3-4 persons who are in the same business. Okay, and then there are some other of these vendors who also say use sources of energy like fire. Again, we have to ensure from the fire safety point of view. All those are being worked on.
so by when is it likely to get over?
I can't give you a definite time frame but we are closing very soon, and we will make this fresh announcement, because our target was August 15, but the identification of trades and the names of individuals, this has taken.
Paul Lyngdoh, Meghalaya's Minister of Tourism, announced that the state government is preparing to welcome numerous artists for the upcoming Cherry Blossom Festival. Besides featuring international star Bryan Adams, the festival will showcase a variety of performances aimed at rejuvenating the state's tourism sector. Lyngdoh emphasized that this initiative is part of a broader strategy to boost tourism by offering diverse and engaging cultural events. The festival promises a vibrant lineup of activities designed to attract visitors and spotlight Meghalaya's rich cultural heritage.
There was a setback because of what some miscreants have committed, but I'm happy to announce and also bring to your notice that things are back to normal, and with major events taking place in Shillong in the days ahead, starting from the various CEMs of the various councils, EDC's meeting last week here in Shillong. We expect things to not only return to normal, but that the footfalls would increase gradually, and various shows are lined up cherry blossom is a major attraction, and Brian Adams is performing in Shillong. Alan Walker will be here in September. All of these events are sure to pull the inflow of tourists into.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.